We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer, one-touch windows, 2. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.